train at platform 2 will form the 11:30 service to Wroxham.
Oh, Susan, how are we doing in the shop?
We've got an extra 5 passengers for the train. Are you able to fit those on?
Well, no, that's only 3.
Yeah. All right then. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, it's a family group of 5, and we're obviously doing our best to accommodate them so they can sit all together. And luckily there is just space available for them.
Customer service is vital in the tourist industry, and Andrew recognised that when we first had the conversation. Previously there was no communication with the other staff on trackside. What we've managed to do is to provide him with full communication for all staff on trackside, which means he can provide a better service to his customers.
Thank you. So through utilising the phone system, and those passengers were able to travel, that saved a phenomenal amount of time. It improved the customer service for our passengers. They didn't feel they'd been neglected. We'd gone the extra mile, and the system had actually made it all possible.
You're alone here, so you can't actually, leave your post. So obviously the phone system's vital for us.
Yes, it's a lot better than the old platform phone because obviously we were restricted to the position of it. Whereas now, of course, we can be anywhere on the platform, shop can contact us and we can contact the shop, so it is a lot easier. Excuse me folks, we'll just squeeze through, thank you.
So to partner with us, understand our needs and provide a functional working solution was exactly what we were after. Bravo Panasonic.